Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 7th grade concept of predictions from simple experiments. This is standard 7.6H in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 25 off the 2019 released STAAR test. If you have not done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and then we will look at our answers together. So Justin has 50 pictures in his album, and they're kind of split up in 3 different ways. We've got 30 pictures that show his friends, 12 show his family, and then 8 show only Justin. Before we get into whatever this is talking about here, let's see if I can just draw maybe like there we go, we'll do like a strip diagram. Alright, so we'll do 50, and let's just say the whole thing is 50. I'm going to break it up into chunks. I'm going to say this, it's not going to necessarily be equal. I'm going to try to make them proportional. So here's my 30 that show friends. And then I've got 12 that show his family. And then I've got just 8 with Justin. All right, so we've got a visual representation here. So 30 plus 12 plus 8, that makes this 50, which is my total. All right, so we can keep going. Justin is in half the pictures that show his friends, so that's interesting here. So I've got 30 with his friends, but within that, I need to make like a second little strip diagram underneath right here. So half of 30 is going to be 15. So 15, I'm going to just put a little with Justin. And he's also in half the pictures that show his family. So that's even smaller. So half of 12 is 6. I'm going to say 12 with just J. So we've got a total of 50 pictures, but we've also got another total, it looks like. How many of these have Justin in them? They wouldn't give this information unless they're going to use it, so let's go ahead and figure that out. So with Justin, we've got the 15 right here. We've got the 6 right here. And then don't forget, there's just the 8 that just showed Justin by himself. So we've got 11, 19, so 29. All right, so 29 pictures have Justin in them. So let's look at this. The probability of randomly selecting a picture that shows Justin with his friends. Okay, so I'm going to say Justin with friends is greater than the probability of randomly selecting a picture that shows Justin with family. So Justin with family, they're both F's. So I'll put FA and FR. All right. Well, Justin with friends here is 15. Justin with family is 6. So 15 is greater than 6. Actually, yeah. That might be your answer. Let's check B, C, and D. Probability of randomly selecting a picture that shows Justin is 8%. Okay. So Justin, depending on how we want to interpret this 8% could be just the 8 right here, and I'm thinking that's probably what they're referring to, since that's an 8. But the thing is it's 8 over 50. You can't just turn that into percent. You need to, if you double this right here, you can make this 16 over 100, which equals 16 hundredths, which equals 16%. So that's incorrect. Also, if you chose this 29, the probability of randomly selecting a picture that shows Justin with family, so Justin with family is 6, is 5 times greater than the selecting a picture that shows only his friends. That's 15. 15 times 5, nope. Probability of selecting a picture that does not show Justin is 21%. No, that is not correct either. So our answer here is A.